On. Okay, we're gonna try to catch her crawling on hands and knees, which so far she only does when there's no camera pointed at her.
Amelia,
of course, she's on her belly again.
Wait. This is good because now can I borrow this to have it? Thank you.
I'm just like.
That's not really a good place for a pencil.
That pizza.
What? Oh, did you do that?
Okay,
There we go.
and here we go. Where?
No.
On. Yeah, there you go. She does it. I swear, she does it all the time.
Here.
We're hoping she'll crawl now because she's really, really interested in getting to baby Amelia and eating her face.
Pretty much. Lucy, look.
I can understand why she mostly scoots because I think she's better at scooting.
She is better at scooting, but look at her. She's moving her knees just like she's supposed to.
It's like she saw an instructional video.
Yeah. Crawling is better. Crawling is better. Yay, Lucy.
Haha, it's farther now. Come get it.
You're crawling. Look at you. Oh, of course.
You distracted me.
There you go. Good girl. Look at you go.
Wow, that's like at least 3 miles an hour.
I know. Auntie Ree.
Keep your eyes on the prize.
Lucy! Come this way! Lucy, come here! Come here! Come here! Yeah. Hey.
She says, I crawled and you moved everything.
The xylophone's closer. I won't move it. I promise. Partly because you need to get to it and partly because I'm tired. What are you doing? That's not crawling. That's not crawling, what?
She says, I don't want to crawl. I just want to walk.
Hi, Amelia. Don't worry, you're just fine. You're gonna be safe. Oh, Lucy.
It'd be funny if Amelia learned to crawl too, just to get
Do you
away
see
from
how
the-
well she just sat herself back up?
That was so long. You're just an expert in life.
Yeah. She's so mobile. She can get down from sitting up. She can get back up from laying down. She can crawl. She can scoot. She can roll in all directions.
What's wrong, Amelia?
She's a terror. Oh, yeah?
Yeah, I know that scares you, but it'll be okay.
It scares her.
Yeah, well, Lucy wants to eat her face.
The fact that Lucy can crawl.
Oh, you think she's scared?
I don't know.
Yeah,
Oh no.
she's kind of a
So
monster.
there we have it. Lucy! Hi! Good job!